So look, this nigga really think he better than me. So this nigga talking about sniper 1v1, right? Nigga, how we supposed to do? How we supposed to use snipers on R6? How like, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's only one sniper in the game, right? So I was like, you know what, gang? I'll play you with a pistol. And then this nigga said, I'll use a sniper then. I was like, you know what? Alright, I got you. Whatever. Like, this nigga always be bringing up snipers, bro. Like, nigga, chat. I put down snipers when I was 7 years old. I'm 18 now. Like, that shit be pissing me off, bro. Let me go ahead and join this nigga party, bro. I don't even think I can join the party because I'm fucking banned for 3 days. Yeah, I can't join. I'm banned for 3 days. Let me call him on Discord real quick. This fucking shitter ass kid. Like, he never beat me in COD. He never beat me in R6. I'm like 6-0 on him. Hell, let's not bring up the record on Call of Duty. Let's not bring up the record, chat. Cause he is never beating me in Call of Duty, and we play Call of Duty for so fucking long. What's up, son? What's up, shitter? Hold on, shitter. Don't speak yet. Don't speak until I say so, shitter. Do not speak. Do not speak yet. Okay, you can speak now, son. You can speak now, son. You ready to get shit on, man? Cause like it happens all the fucking time. Like I don't like, just cause I got a pistol ain't gonna bring no downfall to me. I ain't gonna lie to you. Come on, you was just sucking on that shit, man.
Alright, I'm just gonna play one game and
yep,
then...
just one game. That's it.
Yep. Okay, invite me and then make me pull.
Alright, son, you're gonna have to wait because I need to load in. This R6 shit is slow as hell. Shit reminds me of GTA. Stepson's a bitch? Yeah, I know. Finna shit on him with a pistol. Let's not even talk about that right now, Cody. Let's not talk about that right now, Cody. And nigga is a hogo.
Game chat. I don't know why I was in game chat. You make me squad leader?
Can you shut the fuck up? That's what I'm doing right now. That's what I'm doing right now. Can you shut the fuck up? Can you shut up? That's what I'm doing right now.
Man, you're so
Cause like you think you're better than me, like you're not better than me.
Hey nephew, I didn't say any of that, okay?
Why are we here?
Alright, so
why are we here?
Attacker / defender row swap is gonna be off, okay? So you're only gonna be on defense.
Okay, that's fine.
Warrior.
That's fine. That's fine. Because you only need because you don't got snipers on defense, remember? Or are you just that brain dead?
Well, DMRs count. I can just quickscope with a DMR.
DMRs do not count. You can't quickscope with a DMR.
Oh,
I mean, if you get a headshot, but like you're not that good at the game, Michael. Your aim is shit as hell. We seen it. We know this. Nigga, you damn beat me at one gunfight. Like, what are we talking about? I'm 6-0 on you, my nigga. Like, you make no sense, gang. You make no sense, gang. If you lose to me and I'm just using a pistol, my nigga, like, you need to uninstall this app. I might just uninstall this fucking shit. Cause, like, this shit makes no sense, gang. Like, you are ass if you lose this. You know this, right?
Yeah.
Yep. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Say this now. I'm not losing.
All right. Say that. I like how you're so confident. It's fine though. Why am I say sniper? Because this nigga's using a fucking sniper. So I just use. I ain't gonna lie. Hell yeah. We'll see how it goes though.
Alright.
Shit. So it's still like a regular 1v1. You just use a sniper. I use pistol. I can still play it, all that. Oh, what, you can still play it.
I mean, it don't matter to me.
Alright, he banked of it. Alright. And I don't even got the right pistol. It's okay though. It's okay though. It's still a pistol, so you can't really say shit. I'm not gonna use this. This is first time I'm gonna use this pistol. I'm not gonna use this pistol no more. But it's still a pistol.
Machine pistol.
I ain't want to pick this up already. You got this shit on fucking
Oh, we're
5
not
seconds.
there?
No, we're going where the fuck we want. I mean, that's how you wanted to do it last time, so like it's, I mean, it makes sense if we do it right here, right? Right. Just don't talk then. You're so locked in. You're not gonna win this, buddy.
Good luck.
No, you're not gonna win this, right?
Is that what you think?
Oh, I know for a fact. Like, out of all the 1v1s we played, like, I just know you're not gonna win this at all. This is impossible if I lose this. If I lose this, I might just call myself ass. Even though I'm just using pistols. So it's been past like a minute now, and we're coming from upstairs. Alright, that's cool. Fucking dog shit. Alright, go ahead and run. It's the best thing you can do. You so lucky I didn't get you right there. That shit would have been so embarrassing for you. So, like, where are you hiding from? Like, where are you coming from, son? Where'd you run off to? Like, I'm so lost right now. Where'd you run off to? Look,
That's
take
not-
that shit,
Alright,
nigga.
bet.
Take that shit.
Nah, alright, bet.
I just did eat your ass. I ain't
You're
gonna
using
lie.
a mach-
I mean,
using a machine.
I didn't
Nah.
have the. I told you I didn't have the right
Nah,
pistol. That's
scratch
my
it.
only time though.
Scratch it.
That's my only
Scratch
time
it.
though. That's my
Scratch
only
it.
time though.
Scratch it.
No, don't scratch it. No, don't scratch it.
Regular
That's why.
1v1.
No, don't
Regular
scratch
1v1,
it.
scratch it. Regular 1v1.
You don't want to do that.
Regular
You
1v1,
do not
scratch
want
it.
to do that. You do not want to do that. You do not want
You
to
just
do that.
used a machine pistol.
Because I just told you I didn't mean to pick this operator. I just told you that from the beginning of the match. I told you that from the beginning of the match. Nigga, you only had this shit like, nigga, you only had this shit for like 10 seconds for me to pick. Nigga, you were talking shit. I had to talk shit back. I didn't pick my operator yet. Shit, I didn't know you. I didn't even know you started this shit. Okay, I got Malusi. I got Malusi's pistol. Okay, I got Malusi's pistol. It's just like Warden's pistol. You see? Damn, crybaby ass kid, man. I told you that from the beginning of the match. I'm really just gonna.
What the fuck came off? Bro, just threw a grenade.
Yep.
5 seconds and counting.
Oh, I could really use Blackbeard if I want.
Increased
Bro
surveillance.
said.
Yeah, he got a little DMR on him.
User.
So DMR counts now. When you just said snipers.
Playing, bro.
Alright, bro. If you're gonna sit main window on fucking Cali, like that shit's not gonna work. I'm not looking at you or nothing. Like I'm forcing you to come inside. You know me about patience. Like I will wait. You know this already though. Well, I hope you do. You should though. Play with me almost every time. Oh, can I hold this angle? Ah, it looks shitty. Yeah. This stick trip is killing me right now. Come on now, like Jesus, I gotta give me a new controller. Ooh, you lucky fucker. Okay.
You're not dead?
Nope. You got the wrong bullet. You're so dog shit.
Okay.
Eliminated.
Nephew, I am a Luthi on me. You're using gadget. Oh, you got 2 Malusis.
You're so dog shit.
I didn't know that we were using gadgets. I thought it was just supposed to be a 1v1.
It
With
is a
sniper and a pistol,
1v1.
but okay.
Is it not a 1v1?
Okay. Marksman rifle counter.
I mean, you just saw me.
I mean,
you saw me with your gadget. That's why I didn't die, dumbass. Take your gadget off, dumbass. You're using your gadgets. Come on now, dumbass. Be smarter. You say you use Cali, but you didn't know that. Like, you're stupid.
I'm dead.
I thought I wasn't gonna win one round, but seems like here I'm gonna win.
Say that.
I think I'm gonna win.
Well, that first round didn't count. You used a machine pistol.
Alright,
I
first
should have
round.
got that round.
I guess first round don't count.
You used. Alright. You have it. I guess so.
I guess first round don't count.
5 seconds left. Op 4 has located a bomb. Plan your defenses
I
accordingly.
mean, your Jones aren't doing nothing, buddy. I'm not. You know, I'm just gonna add your Jones from now on. It's not gonna make no difference or anything. So like dog shit at this game. Like it makes no damn sense, bro. Like I see why you're just so stuck on fucking what you call it? Fucking. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Lil bro's mad now, huh? Lil bro's mad now, huh? You're so fucking ass, Michael. You're so ass, man. You're so ass, man. Put the sniper up, man. It could even be like this on COD if you want. Like you could download Cold War back. I just download Cold War back too, my guy. Or we can hop on Modern Warfare. I don't care. We can hop on Modern Warfare. I don't care. I've hung up snipers.
Modern Warfare. You don't want the smoke on Modern Warfare with snipers. You don't want the smoke.
I said I use a
want the
pistol.
smoke.
I said I use a pistol.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
You know what? I think I would change it up. Because you think that pistols are so... I'm gonna use a pistol this round with a marksman rifle.
Alright, bro. Like that's gonna change anything. But alright. Probably just gonna pull out some type of assault rifle or some shit.
Not an assault rifle.
Down to 10 seconds.
No, the first ever sniper rifle was a marksman rifle.
Probably the only way you could beat
know
me
that,
is
right?
if you actually use like actual guns. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Located a bomb. Protect it. Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for hostile action.
Like I'm literally using pistol on you, my gun. Bro said he had a rifle. Wait, alright, bro. Does I even got a rifle? I'm not even 100% sure, but I'm gonna let you slide with that. Finna get shitted on. I'm finna shit on this kid. How many rounds I need? 6? Okay, hey, it's like work. Where are you coming from? Unless you already shot cams. Did you already shoot cams, Michael? You already shot cams, Michael? Jesus, this snake chick is killing me. Was that 2 or 3? That was 3 light scans. Your ass. Or was that 2? Am I tripping? Whoa there. Whoa there, buddy. Oh wait, that's not. Oh. So what am I? Oh, that's mine. I'm tripping. I thought it was your head. I thought you were just peeking like a little boy. Bro, shooting me from under the desk. Ah, you're so lucky I was one shot, you fucking dog shit ass kid.
Eliminated.
Ooh, why didn't I do this before? This counts as a sniper. This counts as a sniper. This counts as a sniper.
No, it doesn't.
Oh my god.
But alright, go ahead and do you.
Yes, it does.
Go ahead
Yes,
and
it
do you.
does count as a sniper.
I never knew DMR is counted as a sniper when it's literally rapid
Oh, it ain't a
fire.
DMR. And plus, when I play COD, when I do play you with a sniper, I don't use snipers. I
Yes,
use
you do.
marksman rifles. SPR.
The rifle that you
SAB
just used,
50.
that was no. The rifle that you just used was not the ones that you be using, so stop capping.
Oh, it's not. They don't have the type of rifles that I use in this game. The only one that's close to it is
Just
Cali,
say
but
it.
Op 4 located a bomb. Protect it. 10 seconds
Echo.
remaining. Down to 5 seconds. Op 4 has located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
You got Doka beam. Yeah, that's bro. That's not no sniper, bro. Fuck no. Dog shit.
Op 4 eliminated.
Listen for the phone, dumbass. Listen for the phone, dumbass.
My headset's broke on one
Listen
side.
for the phone, dumbass. Fucking
My
dog
headset is
shit.
broke on that side. I
You're
couldn't
dog
hear you.
shit. You're dog 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 shit. Bro, Michael, if I fucking beat you, bro, like, delete this game, bro. For, like, that ass. Like, you need to.
No.
You
Secure the
need to.
No.
Alright, bro. Have your way, man. Hey, it's your ego, like, it is what it is. Like, I know, like, you're my son, and, like, I gave you my ego, but, like, it's not working out, man. It's not working out for you,
All
man.
I have to-
It's not looking good. It's not looking good on you, man. It's not looking good on you all. Not at all. Like, you can't, like you talk, like, you could do the talking shit, but, like, you just can't perform. Like, I need my son to perform. Like, I didn't teach you none of this. Like, you do your own thing. Like, I don't understand that. Like, that should be bugging me sometimes, you know?
Wait, you take your place.
Op 4 is
Alright.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Stepson overseeing that ego. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, that shit makes no sense to me.
Like, oh,
I mean, overusing. I said, oh shit, I'm tripping. I said oversuit. I'm tripping. Well, y'all niggas know what I said. Niggas know what I said. Let me get out my pistol. I'm tripping. BBLGZ. I'm not upstairs, buddy. Yeah, I'm in basement, bro. If you didn't know that already. Oh, you didn't know that. Oh, what you look at you? What you look at you? Would you look at you? Would you look at you? Michael's such a good little child. Don't run. Don't run from it. Don't run from it. You wanted it. Don't
Swing
run
me.
from it.
swing me.
Bro, did I just see
Come on,
ass?
swing. I'm using her pistol too.
It's
I got
GG's for
that
you,
pistol
then.
work, nephew.
No, you don't. You got no pistol work at all. You got no pistol work at all, son.
Eliminated. Mission success.
I'm not even using gadgets against you, bro.
Start using gadgets then, buddy. It's a regular 1v1. I'm just using a pistol. You're your ass.
Alright, bro.
You just try to use a claymore on me too when you try to put it outside. I seen it outside. So don't try to say I'm not using gadgets like you. I'm not using
Yeah, but
nothing like
you
you.
using-
Blah 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 blah. Like shut the fuck up, bro. Get your sniper out like you said you was, and go ahead and try to kill me. Like you're not killing me with no fucking sniper. I'm sorry.
It's just I want you to use a sniper against me, so it'll be, you know.
Location compromised.
Yeah.
Accordingly.
I'm really finna send you to work with an L. Like, this is a devastating L right here, Michael.
Nike. I don't care. Cause as soon as I get 2K25, that's all I'm gonna be on.
10 seconds.
Bro said he wasn't gonna buy 2K this year and gonna buy that shit immediately. Like this makes no sense to me at all.
Not immediately. Not
Shit
immediately.
makes no sense to me at all. That game is ass as
It's
shit and
just-
niggas still
It's
buy
just
this.
nobody
Like I don't
else.
understand.
It's just, you barely be on this, so.
Because
there's
this
really
game is
nothing else to
ass. Because this game is ass.
play. Okay, and that's why I'm getting 2K.
Yeah, the 2K ass. 2K is ass too. Like what are you not? What are you not? Are we not saying the same words here? Are you not understanding what I'm saying? Are you in the front door already, son? It's like you're fed. Like, why do you got that gun now? Like, you're not gonna. Why do you got a pistol out? Like you just accepted defeat at this point, right? You accepted defeat at this point, right? Are you above me?
Maybe.
Alright. Are you gonna come through this door or no? I guess not. Nomad, alright. Like, I literally heard that shit, man. That shit is not live. Oh, well. I thought I dodged that shit. It's okay, though. I know exactly where you are. And that shit's not gonna work. You know, you probably put up. You probably be a weirdo. Going over there on some weird shit. Oh, I want you to come through this door so bad. Shit's not gonna go well for you. I seen that shit too. I literally just looked at it. What am I doing? Your ass.
Eliminated. Mission
Get off my your ass, man. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Just leave the party, please. Please leave the party.
Okay.
Fucking dog shit, bro. This kid is ass, man. I literally made him. Literally came out my fucking ball sack. Like your ass, man. Like I told him. I tried to tell him, like, you're not gonna win. But I didn't know it was gonna be this bad.